Okay, so like I said earlier, this is your WordPress backend, okay, and this is your front end that will be accessible to your user. So by the time we finish designing, we are going to see our actual site on the front end of our website. Now, before we go ahead with installation, you need to understand some things about WordPress. Now, this is your dashboard, and you have different tools here that helps you with the design of your website, which we will be going through step by step later on. But the first thing I would like us to look at is what we call themes in WordPress. So to access your theme, you come down to appearance and click on themes. Now, what does your WordPress theme do for you? Your WordPress theme is actually what determines the look and feel of your website. It determines the layout, the color, the arrangement, and then the different plugins that are used in designing your websites. And by default, WordPress comes with 3 themes by default, and usually one of those themes is active. So if you are going to design a WordPress website, you are going to need a WordPress theme, and that is what actually determines the look and feel of your website. Now, to get a WordPress theme, there is a website you can actually go to, themeforest.net. Okay, so what you have on themeforest.net is a collection of WordPress themes for different categories. So you have for blogs, WordPress, corporate, creative. So depending on what the purpose of your website is, you just click on a particular category and you will see a list of different themes that they have that you can actually work with. Okay, so can you see these are different WordPress themes, and if you want to see what any of those themes will look like, you can just click on any of the themes. Okay, you can get a live preview by clicking on live preview. Okay, so when you have live preview, you have something like a demo. So what that is saying is, if I buy this theme, for instance, this is exactly how it will look like by the time I'm done configuring this theme on my site, and then I can edit the contents to either suit me or suit my clients. Now, bear in mind that most of these themes are not free. Like this is $44, and if you convert that to Naira, that should be about between 20 and 24,000 or thereabouts. So these are all the things you factor in before you charge your clients or your customer for your website design. You look for a suitable theme, you look for the cost of the theme, amongst other things that you may need to get later on. So this is what your WordPress theme looks like. And like I said, if you come to themeforest.net, there are lots and lots of themes ranging from different prices. So you can just go through a look for a theme that will be suitable for your design and then go ahead and buy it. So if you need help with getting some WordPress themes, we have a theme pack. You can just contact us and we'll see what we can do to help you. So that is what WordPress themes are about.